So when doing low flow, a lot of pole dancers struggle with coming up with connections and ways to put their moves together. So today we're going to learn what we call a twist into front lean, which we can use to connect different levels as we are going through our flows. We're going to start by lifting our inside hand up high. We want it to be pulling down, so a lot of strength in this arm, keeping our shoulder down. Then we will lift our inside foot. We're going to want to keep our body nice and aligned as we do this twist. We're going to take our left hand as we twist, catch the pull. So we're leaning right here. You can see that my body is super straight. We don't want to be down like this. We want to be nice and tall. Then we have an option where we can finish into a nice little squat right here. One other option that we have as we do this, so again, hand up tall, lifting the inside leg. As we turn, we can keep our foot up, bring it down, and then we could reverse, doing a pirouette and landing in a squat this way. This move, though I did it in heels, can be done also barefoot. However, doing it up on your toe is going to make it a lot easier, and really making sure to keep a straight line throughout your whole body. When our hand is up, all the way down to our toes. That way we don't collapse and get into really awkward positions or shapes while we are doing it. My name's Jen, and thanks for joining us for Just the Tips.
Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.